Switch power button to right side. Turn on transmitter. Press group button to choose Group A, Group B, and Group C in sequence. Long press Sync Channel button 2 seconds to set channel 1 through 8. Press Sync Channel button again to set ID 1 through 30. Long press Mode button 3 seconds. GR, ETTL, multi-flash mode changes in sequence. Long press Mode button 3 seconds to access to GR mode. Press Mode button to set flash mode of selected group. M1/X, M, TTL, off. M1/X. This mode enables to manual control output power of VISICO 5 TTL flash. Rotate dial to change flash power from 1 to 1/128 in 1/3 EV increment. M. This mode enables to manual control output power of VISICO Studio flash including VCHHLR, VCHH, VE+, VL+, VL plus AC/DC, and VISICO 4 series. Rotate dial to change flash power. Output power of Studio Flash does not present on LCD screen. TTL. This mode enables camera to automatically control output power of VISICO 5 flash. You may adjust flash exposure compensation, FEC, by rotating dial from -3 EV to +3 EV in 1/3 precise increment. Off. There is no icon on the screen. The selected group of flash is inactive and will not be triggered. Long press Mode button 3 seconds to access to ETTL flash mode. In ETTL mode, press Mode button to select ratio mode, A to B, A to BC, all in sequence. Long press Mode button 3 seconds to access to multi-flash mode. In multi-mode, press Mode button to set flash power, flash frequency, and number of flashes. Long press Mode button 3 seconds to access to GR flash mode. In GR mode, press Sync Channel button to select flash sync mode in sequence, first curtain, second curtain, and high-speed sync. Long press Mode button 3 seconds to access to ETTL flash mode. In ETTL mode, press Sync Channel button to select first curtain or high-speed sync. Press Model AF button. Set output power of modeling lamp of Group A, Group B, Group C in sequence. Rotate dial to change brightness of modeling lamp. Long press Model AF button. Turn on or off AF assist beam.
Website www.vistarphoto.com, www.visico.com. Telephone 0086 574 6280 3099 or 6280 8033. Fax 0086 574 6280 3111. Email info@vistarphoto.com.